Your customer watches a video. They tap the product, they buy. No website visit, no ad click, no funnel, no abandoned cart. The entire purchasing decision happens inside the video experience, in an average of 4.2 minutes from first view to completed purchase. That's not a future projection. That's the documented behavior of 74% of active TikTok users as of March 2026, according to GWI's Global Consumer Survey. Shoppable video content generated $11.3 billion in attributable U.S. GMV in Q1 2026 alone. Video commerce now captures 43% of the entire social commerce market. The global video commerce market is projected to reach $55 billion by 2027, up from $25 billion in 2023. The shoppable video platform market is growing at 25% CAGR. 41% of marketers plan to test shoppable video this year, up from 28% last year. For small business, the implication is direct. The technology that used to require a website, a Shopify store, a payment gateway, and a full funnel is now built into the platforms your customers already use daily, for free. In the next 9 minutes, we're breaking down how shoppable video works on each platform, which video types convert, how to set up your first shoppable system at zero cost, and what metrics tell you it's working. Let's put the difference in concrete terms, because the funnel comparison is what makes the business case impossible to ignore. The traditional e-commerce funnel has 5 or more steps. An ad captures attention. The user clicks. The website loads, and 53% of mobile users abandon if it takes more than 3 seconds. The user browses. They add to cart. They go through checkout. They enter payment information. Every single one of those steps is an exit opportunity. The cart abandonment rate in traditional e-commerce is 69.99% across all industries. On mobile, it's 85.65%. You can run perfect ads and lose the majority of interested buyers before they complete a purchase, not because they don't want the product, but because the process created friction they weren't willing to tolerate. Shoppable video collapses that entire sequence. The user watches a video. They tap a product tag. They purchase inside the platform without ever leaving. 2 steps. No page load, no separate checkout. Payment information is already saved. The friction that kills traditional e-commerce conversions is structurally absent. The result? Live shopping sessions on shoppable platforms convert at 12 to 18%, compared to the industry average of 2 to 3% for traditional e-commerce. Shoppable video also reduces product returns by 35% because buyers see the product in realistic use context before purchasing rather than interpreting static photos. For a small business, this means you don't need a website to sell. You need a video and a product tag. 3 platforms, each with different mechanics, different audiences, and different optimal product types. Here's how each one works and where to start. TikTok Shop is the highest volume platform in this space. $11.3 billion in U.S. attributable GMV in Q1 2026. Monthly U.S. sales consistently exceeding $3.8 billion. The mechanic. You tag products directly in videos. Viewers tap the tag, see price and product details, and purchase inside TikTok without leaving. The platform also has live shopping, where you demonstrate products in real time and viewers purchase during the session. Conversion rates during live sessions hit 12 to 18%. Setup through TikTok Seller Center is free. Instagram shopping operates through product tags in Reels and Stories. When a viewer taps a tag, they see price and product image and can purchase through Instagram checkout or visit your shop. Posts with product tags generate 130% higher click-through to product pages compared to posts without tags, according to Meta's internal data. Setup requires a Meta business account, a Facebook shop, and a product catalog in Meta Commerce Manager. YouTube shopping is the highest intent platform for purchase decisions. Viewers are actively researching, watching how-to videos, product reviews, and demonstrations, when your product shelf appears below the video. Buyers can purchase without leaving YouTube, and because YouTube videos rank in Google Search and Google AI overviews, a single product-linked video can generate shoppable revenue for years. Setup requires linking Google Merchant Center to YouTube Studio. Start with the platform where your content already lives. Add product tags to existing videos first. The incremental effort is minimal, and the revenue potential is immediate. Here's the content insight that separates shoppable video creators with consistent conversion from those wondering why nobody's tapping. Demo videos outperform lifestyle videos in shoppable formats by a significant margin, and the psychology is straightforward. A lifestyle video creates atmosphere. It's aspirational, aesthetically pleasing, and emotionally resonant. It builds brand affinity. But in a 4.2-minute purchase window, a viewer watching a lifestyle video is in an emotional state, not a decisional state. They're inspired, but they're not yet confident that this specific product solves their specific problem. A demo video creates confidence. It shows the product doing exactly what it promises to do. It answers the question every potential buyer is holding. Does this actually work for someone like me? It shows the before and the after. It demonstrates the size, the texture, the practical application. In 4.2 minutes, a viewer watching a demo video has the information they need to make a purchase decision. The best shoppable videos combine both layers. They open with a hook that creates curiosity. That's the lifestyle element. They immediately transition to demonstration. That's the conversion driver. And they end before the viewer loses interest. Optimal length for shoppable content. 15 seconds maximum for TikTok and Instagram product videos. Under 60 seconds for YouTube shopping. The rule is the same across all three. Make the first 15 seconds count or don't make the video. Live shopping is the highest converting format because it adds a third layer, real-time interaction. Viewers ask questions. They get immediate answers. The uncertainty that prevents purchase in recorded video gets resolved in the moment. That's why live sessions consistently hit 12 to 18% conversion. Let's walk through the TikTok Shop setup, because this is the platform where small businesses are generating their first shoppable revenue fastest, and the entire setup costs $0. Step 1. Go to TikTok Seller Center and register your business account. Business verification is required. You'll need a government ID or business registration document. This typically takes 24 to 48 hours to approve. Step 2. Create your product listings. For each product, upload a minimum of 5 photos showing different angles and use cases, plus 1 demo video showing the product in action. Write descriptions that answer the questions your customer would ask. Not marketing copy, but practical information. Price and shipping details complete the listing. Step 3. Connect your products to your first video. When you publish a video on TikTok, you'll find the option to add product tags. Tag the product shown in the video. When viewers tap the tag, they see the product listing and can purchase directly. This is your first shoppable video. Step 4. Build your affiliate creator pipeline. Go to the TikTok Affiliate Creator Marketplace, search for creators in your niche with engagement rates above 4%, and send product samples at no upfront cost. They create demo videos, tag your products, and earn commission only when a sale occurs. You pay nothing until revenue is generated. Step 5. Run your first live shopping session. 30 minutes is the recommended starting length. Show the product from multiple angles. Demonstrate it in use. Take questions in the comments and answer them live. Product purchases appear in real time. The combination of demonstration and real-time conversation is why live sessions consistently convert at 12 to 18%. The math on the affiliate model. Your only upfront cost is product samples. Every creator video that goes live is a shoppable asset running independently, generating sales from their audience around the clock. Instagram shopping requires slightly more setup than TikTok Shop, but reaches a different audience, and the product tag data makes it worth the configuration. The setup sequence. Connect your Instagram business account to a Facebook page. Create a Facebook shop in Meta Commerce Manager. Upload your product catalog and submit for Instagram shopping review. Approval typically takes 2 to 5 business days. Once approved, you can tag products in Reels, feed posts, and stories. In Reels, which is where the discovery reach is highest, you can tag up to 5 products per video. When a viewer taps a tag during playback, a product card appears showing the image, name, and price. One tap goes to the product detail page. One more tap completes the purchase through Instagram checkout. The behavioral data from Meta. Posts with product tags generate 130% higher click-through to product pages compared to posts without tags. The tag creates a moment of purchase intent that wouldn't exist in an untagged video. The viewer is browsing, sees something they like, and the tag removes the friction of having to search for it separately. Stories shopping adds a different mechanic. A product sticker in a story creates a swipe-up purchase flow. It's optimized for impulse decisions. The viewer has 3 to 5 seconds of story content to build interest, then one action to complete the purchase. Instagram Live Shopping allows you to pin products during a live session, the same live commerce model as TikTok, reaching the Instagram audience. As with TikTok, live sessions consistently outperform recorded content on conversion rate. YouTube Shopping is the most underutilized shoppable platform for small business, and the compound effect it creates over time makes it strategically different from TikTok or Instagram. The setup. Link your Google Merchant Center account to YouTube Studio. Once connected, your products automatically appear as a browsable shelf below your videos. No additional tagging required per video. Viewers scroll through your product catalog while watching and purchase without leaving YouTube. Here's the strategic advantage that separates YouTube from the other two platforms. A TikTok or Instagram Reel has a typical content lifespan of days to weeks before it stops receiving significant distribution. A YouTube video, properly optimized, continues generating views and shoppable revenue for months or years. Every how-to video, every product review, every demonstration that you publish on YouTube becomes a persistent, shoppable asset. Someone who finds your tutorial through a Google search 6 months from now sees your product shelf. Someone watching your how-to video as part of their research journey has the option to purchase without interrupting their viewing. The product shelf converts while you're doing something else entirely. YouTube also captures the highest intent moment in any purchasing journey: active research. When someone is watching how to choose the best email marketing tool or how to set up a small business accounting system, they have already made the decision to solve the problem. The product shelf presents your solution at exactly that moment. And with Google AI overviews now citing YouTube videos as primary sources for how-to queries, your shoppable YouTube content reaches beyond YouTube search into Google search simultaneously. 5 metrics. Track all 5 before you make any optimization decisions. Because shoppable video has specific measurement nuances that standard video analytics don't capture. Metric 1. Product tap rate. The percentage of viewers who tap your product tag out of total video views. A well-tagged, relevant demo video should hit between 3 and 8%. Below 3% typically indicates either the wrong product for the audience, the tag placed at the wrong moment in the video, or a hook that's not connecting with high purchase intent viewers. Metric 2. Checkout conversion rate from tap. The percentage of viewers who tap the tag and complete a purchase. Benchmarks: 3 to 15% for recorded video, 12 to 18% for live sessions. Low tap-to-purchase rate usually indicates a pricing issue, a product page problem, or a mismatch between the video promise and the product page delivery. Metric 3. Add to cart rate from video. This measures whether the video is specifically driving commerce behavior, separately from overall page performance. It isolates the video's contribution to the purchase funnel. Metric 4. Video completion rate. For shoppable content, you need viewers to stay long enough to see the product demonstrated and develop purchase confidence. Under 40% completion usually means the hook is weak or the video is too long. Target above 60%. Metric 5. Revenue per view. Total revenue attributed to a video divided by total views. This is your single, clearest ROI metric for shoppable content. It normalizes for different view volumes and lets you compare performance across videos directly. Measure all 5 in the first 7 days after publishing. That establishes your baseline before any optimization. 3 things. These are the ones that change how you think about selling online. Number 1. The funnel is dead. Shoppable video replaced it. Average time from first view to purchase is 4.2 minutes. Traditional e-commerce cart abandonment is 69.99%. Shoppable video eliminates the friction that causes that abandonment by keeping the entire purchase experience inside the video. Video commerce captured 43% of social commerce market share in 2025, and it's accelerating. Number 2. Demo beats lifestyle in shoppable format. In a 4-minute purchase window, buyers need confidence, not inspiration. Show the product working, show the before and after. Answer the "does this actually work for me?" question in the first 15 seconds. Live shopping sessions convert at 12 to 18%, the highest conversion rate of any e-commerce format, because real-time demonstration combined with live Q&A removes the uncertainty that prevents purchase. Number 3. The setup is free. TikTok Shop, Instagram Shopping, and YouTube Shopping all have 0 listing fees and 0 minimum spend. You start with existing video content and add product tags. Affiliate creators generate shoppable content at 0 upfront cost, earning commission only from actual sales. Your first shoppable video can be live today. The website was the destination. The video is the destination now. Meet your customer where they already are. Here's what to do today, before you've spent a single dollar. Go to TikTok Seller Center and start your business registration. It takes 30 minutes to complete the application and 24 to 48 hours to receive approval. While you wait, film your first demo video, 15 to 30 seconds, product in hand, showing what it does and how it works. When your account is approved, list your first 5 products, tag them in your first video, and publish. Then download the shoppable video setup checklist from the description. It walks through the complete setup sequence for all 3 platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, with a product listing checklist, 5 shoppable video script frameworks, a creator affiliate outreach template, and the 7-day measurement tracker that shows whether your first videos are converting. Before you tag your first product, use SEMrush to understand what your potential customers are already searching for in your category. The keywords they use on Google inform your product descriptions and video titles across all 3 shoppable platforms. The same search intent that drives Google results drives discovery in YouTube Shopping and TikTok search. That research takes 2 hours and makes every piece of shoppable content more discoverable. Link is in the description. The first shoppable video requires no budget. It requires 1 demo, 1 product tag, and 1 publish. Start there. This video is for educational purposes only. Shoppable video performance varies based on product category, content quality, audience, and platform algorithm. This is not professional business or financial advice. Statistics sourced from GWI, Bloomberg Second Measure, Mordor Intelligence, Channelize, TrendlyPost, Sellers Commerce, and Meta Internal Data, 2025 to 2026.